In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a page in GoDaddy Website Builder. Whether you're cleaning up old content, removing a test page, or just simplifying your site's navigation, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it confidently and safely. First, make sure you're logged into your GoDaddy account and you're in the right place to manage your site. From your main GoDaddy home screen, go to your website dashboard. This is the control center for your site where you can access your editor, settings, and pages. If you manage more than one website, double check that you've opened the dashboard for the correct site before continuing. This helps you avoid accidentally changing the wrong project. Once you're in the website dashboard, look for the option labeled Pages. This is usually in the main menu of the website builder interface. Go ahead and click on Pages. This will open a list of every page that currently exists on your site, including things like your homepage, contact page, and any other custom pages you've created. Now, in the list of pages, find the specific page you want to delete. Take a moment here to be absolutely sure, because deleting a page can affect your site's navigation and any links that point to it. If it's a page you might need later, consider copying its content somewhere safe before you remove it. When you've identified the page you want to delete, move your mouse over that page in the list. As you hover on the page, you should see additional options or icons appear next to it. Among these, you'll see a small trash icon. This icon represents the delete option. Click on the trash icon next to the page you've chosen. As soon as you do this, GoDaddy will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the page. This confirmation step is there to protect you from accidental clicks, so read the message carefully. It usually reminds you that removing the page will take it off your site and can break any direct links to it. If you're sure you no longer need this page, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the page will be removed from your list of pages in the builder, and it will no longer appear on your live website. It's a good idea to preview or publish your site and then visit it in a new browser tab to make sure everything still looks and works the way you expect, especially your navigation menu, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a page in GoDaddy Website Builder by going to your website dashboard, opening your pages, hovering over the one you want to remove, clicking the trash icon, and confirming the deletion.